My name is Dynelle Leblanc and I am the owner and proprietor of Faite Main Designs. Faite Main Designs provides handmade accessories including fascinators, brooches, events, pins, and they're all customizable. I've been in business for about 4 years now, and the journey has been rewarding at times. It's been filled with ups and downs, but I have been appreciating the journey so far as a business owner. I started off my business as a hobby, so just any little bit of growth that I've experienced over the past couple of years has been a success story for me. I have been able to export, so I've been able to penetrate the French market and markets in the US as well. So all of those things are super rewarding for me because I never started it off as a venture to make money, and I have been able to grow so much within the 4 years. NBD has been an encouragement for me. I've been able to leverage the bank's funds in order to grow my business more. I've also been able to use some of the bank's features to help with bookkeeping and the preparation of financial statements. I am a credit card holder at NBD, and my NBD credit card allows me to purchase raw materials from overseas, even at times when I do not have cash on hand. As a small business owner, cash flow is super important, and having the ability to access the bank's funds for growth and development of my business have been pivotal in my growth so far as a business owner. The DAIC workshop that I participated in was extremely rewarding. I got the opportunity to network with many other business owners, both large and small, and I got the opportunity to learn more about how simple preparing financial statements can be, about how simple bookkeeping can be, of how to make business decisions in terms of investments as opposed to just spending. So it was an incredible opportunity for me, and I am grateful to the NBD for sponsoring my journey through the training. I would like to encourage small business owners or business owners in general to come to NBD for all their financial needs, including loans, credit cards, and take the opportunity as well to leverage some of the bank's resources such as mobile banking to help with bookkeeping and keeping track of your financial statements as well. I am extremely grateful to National Bank of Dominica for awarding me the opportunity to participate in the small business training. I'm also thankful to NBD for the support that they have provided me so far as a small business owner, and I would like to encourage any small business owner to make NBD your bank as well.